A very good morning to my children. Take out your EVS book, page number 53, chapter 9, Being Safe. Chapter 9, Being Safe. Read the poem aloud in class. Can you guess what the poem is about? Color the circles using crayons. So, see, stop, look and wait before crossing the street. Stop, look and wait before crossing the street. Use your eyes and ears before using the feet. Use your eyes and ears before using the feet. Stop, says the red light. Stop, says the red light. The yellow says wait. The yellow says wait. Go, says the green light. Go, says the green light before it gets too late. So here we are talking about this traffic light. Okay. See, whenever crossing the road, we must look every side of the road. Okay. Whenever crossing the road, we should look every side of the road. We must use our eyes and ears before using the feet. And see, here you have to put the colors. So first, stop. So stop, red light. Red light says to stop. So you put your stop, red color and wait. Now yellow says wait. So here you will put yellow color and go. Now go. Green light says to go. So you will put your green color. Okay. So red means to stop, yellow means to wait, and green means to go. Now come here. Let's read. Safety rules are important for all of us to follow. We all want to be safe from all dangers and risks. Following some safety rules can help us and the people around us to be safe and happy. Yes, we all want to stay safe from all kinds of dangers and risks. So, to keep ourselves safe from all the dangers and risks, we must follow safety rules. Okay, we must always follow safety rules to keep ourselves safe. Turn to page 54. Safety inside home. Safety inside home. So we also have to follow some safety rules inside our home. Okay, now let's see. Stay away from hot ovens and gas stoves. Stay away from hot ovens and gas stoves. Do not touch electrical objects or wires. Do not touch electrical objects or wires. Do not light matchsticks. Do not light matchsticks. Enter a lift only with an adult. Enter a lift only with an adult. Keep the doors and windows shut at night. Keep the doors and windows shut at night. Keep your things, toys, books back after using them. Keep your things, toys, books back after using them. Do not play with sharp things like a knife or razor or scissors. Okay, now see what safety rules we have to follow inside our home. It is written here. We must always stay away from hot ovens and gas stoves. We should not play with these hot ovens, and we should never come near to gas stoves inside the kitchen. Okay? And we should not touch electrical objects or wires. See in this picture, this boy is playing with this electrical wire. We should not play. Okay? We should not play. And we should not light matchstick. We should not play with a matchstick. And always enter a lift with an adult. Okay. We should enter a lift only with an adult. And always keep the doors and windows shut at night. We should not keep our doors and windows open at night. We should always shut them at night. And keep your things, means your toys, your books, whatever you play with your things, we should always keep them back after using them. We should not leave them anywhere on the floor or any other place. Okay? Do not play with sharp things like a knife or razor or scissor. And also, we should never play with a knife or razor or scissors at home. Okay? So, these are the safety rules which we should follow inside our home. Now, let's see safety outside home. Now, safety outside home. Do not play on the roads or streets. Do not play on the roads or streets. Cross the road with an adult. Cross the road with an adult. Go up and down the stairs carefully. Go up and down the stairs carefully. Swim in a pool with an adult. Swim in a pool with an adult. Do not lean out of the car or bus window. Do not lean out of the car or bus window. Do not go anywhere without telling your elders. Do not pull other children while playing in a park. So, safety outside home. See, we should not play on the roads or streets. See, these children are playing on the road, so we should not do this. We should not play on the roads or streets. Always while crossing the road, we should cross the road with an adult. Okay? Now go up and down the stairs carefully. Whenever going up or coming down the stairs, we must walk carefully. Okay? Now swim in a pool with an adult. And always we must go with our adult only while swimming in a pool. We should not go alone. Okay? Do not lean out of the car or bus window. Now whenever we travel through a car or a bus, we should not lean out of it. Okay? We should not lean out of the car or bus window. Do not go anywhere without telling your elders. And also, whenever you want to go to meet your friends, we should not go without informing our elders or parents. We must always inform our elders. Okay? We should not go without telling them anywhere. Do not pull other children while playing in a park. And also while playing in a park, we should not push or pull them while playing in a park. Okay? So these are some of the safety rules which we should follow outside the home. Now, safety rules for a stranger. This will continue in the next video. Okay? So for today, only this much. Thank you.